morning. So we haven't really been vlogging throughout our whole trip here in Vietnam, especially in Da Nang and Hanoi. So we are currently over here in the mountain region of Vietnam, which is SAPA. We've been here 5 years ago. It's actually really nice. We got some nice scenery over here behind this little building structure. We got the mountains and all these fogs hovering over it. It's actually quite nice. Sky's really clear right now. We are currently going on a short half-day trekking with a tour guide, a Hmong tour guide, and so we'll see how it goes. It did rain today. Throughout the day it was just lightly sprinkling or lightly raining, so it's not too bad, but the roads are quite slippery and it might be a bit muddy. So hopefully everything goes smooth and we'll have some fun, right? Wow, this is actually really nice. How's it feel to be back here in Sapa?
It's different with my family.
It's different with your family, huh? But now this time we have more Hmong trekkers with us, huh? So maybe it might be a different experience.
They're
too.
curious, and my dad loves to
Yeah.
talk, so it's a win-win.
So I don't think my family over here has ever experienced being pressured to buy items. So we'll see how it goes towards the end of the trekking tour. We got about at least 5 to 7 more tour guides just walking along with us as well. And at the end, they're probably gonna try to make us buy some souvenirs from them. So I guess that's their way of making money over here. Just look at all these little rice paddies right here. Green. And probably in about a month or so, this whole field will be all yellow. Look at this, it's just so green along with this nice beautiful weather. Some fog on the mountains. Let's go, Elena. We're walking through a town. Hey, I think we're having lunch, Elena. Are you gonna have energy now? Are you gonna have energy after you eat? Maybe, or you might have food coma, huh? So we are gonna go have lunch at this little restaurant here.
For can you scooch this way?
Yeah. This is space. So we are currently eating lunch at this one little pit stop. It's right next to the river. You get that little amazing view. Our hotel is like literally way up there. With some bananas, stir fry, pork, garlic and onions. With some fried rice along with some fried egg rolls. So we already finished it. Was it good? So we just got done eating at a restaurant, so we are now continuing our pilgrimage to, I don't know where we're gonna be at, but we're just gonna keep trekking through this little town and hopefully we get like a better view of Sapa. Is your shoe stuck?
My shoes are stuck.
So you got your shoe or your shoe's stuck now? Alright, so we have an updated plan for today. So we are finishing our trek at the next village and then we are going to head back to our homestay. We're going to chill there for a couple hours and then around 7 p.m. we are going to have dinner with our tour guide. The family wants to eat like a Hmong dish, or they're craving for Hmong food, so we're having our tour guide cook us some Hmong dishes with some veggies, some chickens and stuff like that. So that's what we're gonna do. So I think it's gonna be a great experience. We are now crossing this big river that flows through our homestay. It is actually really beautiful right now. Alright, and we are back in the evening. We are currently walking to the Hmong tour guide earlier today. She prepared dinner for us, so we're gonna go have a home cooked meal with her. and basically just enjoy this view again. This amazing view in the background. It's not so high anymore, so it's so much easier right now to hike. Well, maybe we should start doing like a late night hike, huh? And all the scenery is just so beautiful. And it does look like it's gonna rain too. It's a little bit cloudy over there. You might not be able to see in the GoPro, but it is quite cloudy. So we have arrived here at the homestay. Alright, so it's getting a little dark, so GoPro is not gonna be too great, but here's a home cooked meal.
cho Christopher.
Thì lúc nào có cho cái nguồn chi cái đó là cái cái nó đi chụp cái mỏ cá hiện cái nó nó sẽ cá nó một món cá này đi mua ít kho cái linh đi cái hai này à xã đây tôi phụ mẹ cái núi à tôi phụ chú ba chú chế rồi à để chúng ta nữa để chúng ta chúng chỉ này rồi cái này chúng ta cái tôi sẽ弄được điều tra họ cháu tôi là chim sau khi mắc cả rồi do sau này nó lộ
Đến đấy thì nó giảm
mua trên mình sẽ về nhưng mà từ sáng mưa thì là con say cho mình bị con này to là
And we are back to our homestay. It's been a long day of trekking, and you know, just basically spending our time over here in Sapa. We are going to call it a night, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.